welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonic sound. Are you ready? Good job. Okay, now we have this sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Okay, don't forget the movement like you lick the lollipop, like okay. Now let's say the sound together and do the movement. Ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, very good. And let's try to write the together. Okay? Okay, where is your pointer? It's very easy. You just draw the line from the top to the bottom. Okay, one more time. Follow the arrow. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, now let's try to say the words that start with Okay, yes. Do you have any idea? Good job. Lion. Alright, and then what else? Very good. Lamb. Yes, and then what else? Good. Lemon. Yes, and then? Lobster. Okay, what else? Yes. Leaves. Yay, very good everyone. Okay, now let's try to spot the sound. Okay, and don't forget, if you can hear the sound in the word, you have to say the word and clap your hands. Okay? Okay, are you ready? Good. Let's start. The first one, we have ladybug. Ladybug. Can you hear the sound? Good job. And what do you need to do? Yes, clap hands. Okay, let's do it together. Ladybug. Ladybug. Very good. And where's the sound? Good job. It's in the beginning of the word. Okay. Next we have king. King. Can you hear the sound? No. Okay, good job. And how about this? Llama. Llama. Can you hear the sound? Yes, you're right. So what do we need to do? Yeah, clap hands. Let's do it together. Llama. Llama. Okay, and what's the sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning. Okay, next I have this. Pencil. Pencil. Can you hear the sound? Yes, you're right. And what do we need to do? Yes, so let's clap our hands together. Pencil. Pencil. And where's the sound? Yes, you're right. It's at the end, the ending sound. And the last one, I have the very last one. I have lip. Lip. Can you hear the sound? Yes. What do we need to do? Yes, clap hands. Okay, let's do it. Lip. Lip. Okay, very good. And where is the sound? You're right. It's in the beginning of the word. Yay! Very good, everybody. Well done. Alright, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? This is an animal and we know it as the king of the jungle. What it could be? You're right, friends. It's a lion. Yes, we did it, friends. Yay! Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
So, let's review. Yes, what sound is this? Good job. Oh, very good. And now let's try to write.